Hello, friends. How are you today? I'm Rebecca. What's your name? Oh, let me see you. Oh, let me see you. Wow, that's a cute pajamas. I like it. All right, so today we are painting wildflowers that some people call a weed, but it's so cute. It's the dandelion. I went outside to look and I found these two dandelions here. And it's one of my favorite little weeds or wildflowers. Why, you ask? I saw this that says, well, dandelion, you are going to grow in places that people never thought you could. Just like me, like you. So I love you, dandelion, and I'm going to make a wish. Would you like to make a wish with me? Your turn first. Ready? One, two, and let's do it again. Make a wish. Let's do one more. One, two, and today we are doing the dandelion because you are going to grow in places that people never thought that you go. You're going to do amazing things. You're going to sing amazing songs and you're going to create incredible art. So, are you ready for the class today? Are you ready to paint some dandelions? So, let's go. Hello, little artists. Let's get your brushes ready. You ready? The first color is the color white. And you're going to make a little line and twist that little line. And then I made it a little lines and I'm going to brush and brush really quick. Let's brush. It's very simple. Once here, this is done, I'm changing my brush for a little circle brush. And you can use the back of the brush or just the front of the brush. And you're just going to tap, many little circles all around. And you can do that with a little bit of brown in the center. You're tapping the same way you just did it just right now. It's really easy. Next time you go outside, would you notice the dandelions in the grass? Would you see the little seeds? Would you blow it and make a wish? Now I'm gonna do the little details, the little wispies of the dandelions flying. Make a wish, make a wish. Did you see how the dandelion is one of the most easy flowers that you can do? I told you it was going to be easy. Did I say that? Creativity is easy when you do that. More that you do, better you become. Easier things get, right? So let's call brush here to see your work of today. You ready? Brush. Hello. Did you see that the class today was about the dandelion? Did you see the dandelion that they have done? It's incredible. Did you see the beautiful places that they're getting in their lives? Yes, because they're growing. They're becoming big people with big dreams and big destinies. Oh, yes. You want to see it? Okay, let's see it. He wants to see your art. Can you show us? Oh, wow. It is beautiful. Okay, brush, I'll let you go. Bye-bye. Can you say bye to brush? Bye. Bye, brush. Brush left. It's also my time to go. But remember, in this very special dandelion class, we're being here. Loves. See you soon. Till next video.
See you soon. See you